Good morning everyone. Today we are starting our second chapter, number system. In digital electronics, the number system is used for representing the information. The number system has different bases and the most common of them are binary, decimal, octal and hexadecimal. In this chapter, we are going to study in detail about the number system in digital electronics or programming language. We know computer is a machine that does not understand the language that is spoken by the human. The instructions given to the computer can be in the form of letters or words. It translates the letters or words into the form of numbers, and it stores the data in the form of numbers also. It is because the computer system only understands the numbers. A number system is a mathematical way to write numbers. A computer system can understand place value number system or place notation system where the value depends on the position of the number. The value of a number can be defined on the basis of the digit, the position of the digit and the base of the number system. So here we are going to learn about 4 number system, and the first one among them is decimal number system. The decimal number system is used in our day-to-day life. It consists of the digits from 0 to 9. These 10 digits can be used in any combination to form numbers, for example 6038, 4032, etc. The base of the decimal number system is 10 because the number of digits in the decimal number system is 10 only. Decimal number system can be defined as a positional number system because it follows place value system. For example, in the decimal number 6309, 6 represents 6000s, 3 represents 300 and 0 represents 0 tens and 9 represent 9 ones. And the second type of number system is binary number system. The binary number system has only 2 numbers, ones and zeros. For example, 1101, 1011, etc. It's a base 2 number system and is called as the most fundamental number system in digital electronics. The reason is that computer is an electronic machine and understand only 2 states represented by 1 the on state and 0 the off state. Therefore, the instructions given to the computer is converted into the binary code or binary language, which is only understood by the computer. Gottfried Wilhelm von Leibniz, the German philosopher, was the inventor of the binary number system. Next number system is octal number system. This number system has a base of 8. This number system consists of the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So it has 8 digits and is called as octal number system of the base 8. This is also called as a positional number system or place value notation system. Each octal number is written on the base of 8. Next one is hexadecimal number system. It's a number system of the base 16 and it contains 16 symbols ranging from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and after 9 A, B, C, D, E and F. So it's a 16 base number system consisting of 16 different symbols. So hope you have understood the 4 different number system. First one is decimal number system, second one binary number system, octal number system and hexadecimal number system. So that's all for the day. So in the next class we will be coming up with the conversion of these different number systems. So thank you, have a pleasant day.